They were a beacon of light to the world, until they were struck down by darkness. The group split, and only one man could restore the light. The Twerk team would rise again.
new girlfriend. She's like, oh my god, like, I'm just gonna shake into the fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come over, baby, we can shake, shake, shake. Yeah, 'cause the players wanna play, 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 play. Just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it out, shake it out. Oh, baby's gonna break, 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 break. Baby's gonna break, 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 break. Just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it out, shake it out.
How's everyone doing? I love it, I love it. Well, here we are on a Wednesday at whatever time it is. Are you guys ready for the Year 12 mock-up assembly? Woo! We all lined up. It's gonna be sick. They're the boys.
Alright, now we got some naughty teachers out there, and deservingly they're going to get some detention, so it's time for that.
I think first let's take a real quick old school selfie. Is everybody ready? Everybody in? Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Okay, wow, yo! Woo! Awesome. Alright, who's up for detentions? Let's go.
Where is he? Where is he? Mr. Graham Potts, could you please report to the stage? No, you have to come here. Like, you actually have to come. Thanks. This detention goes to Mr. Potts for being too smart for his own good, for threatening to sue not just me, but other students on multiple occasions, and that's saying he wants to shoot dogs with his BB gun. Thank you, Mr. Potts.
Next up, we have a certain Miss Creeley for being the main stakeholder of deforestation, regardless of being geography teacher. And she's wearing our class t-shirt we designed. Give it up for Miss Creeley, ruining the planet.
Alrighty, this one's for Mrs. Simpson, for regularly skipping class or showing up late because apparently business wasn't important.
Alright, Miss Barnes, for having more mental breakdowns than the NRMA attends to car breakdowns.
For hyping us up on sugar before every assembly in our chemistry party.
Alright, so we have now Miss Wong, and this is for unintentionally roasting her students. Bring her up!
Next, Mr. Van Benton, for never giving a lesson without mentioning his family or going way too deep beyond our capacity.
This one's to Mr. Wykes for having a child before HSC trial exams.
This one's to Miss Norta for calling us nicknames, including an illiterate hobbit.
Okay, Mr. Warren, for making us watch a YouTube tutorial when we ask you how to do something.
This one's from Mr. McLeod. We got for making us cringe by telling us his dad jokes with 13 views.
I think there are a lot of detentions that could go to PSE, but this detention is for the majorly awesome year mum, the left shark, Penelope the pink pig, and for always fancy seeing you here. And for also losing your $70 bra in the change room.
I had the struggle of doing a detention for Mr. Lobsey, but he's for leading the social sciences in making every other department seem boring.
This detention is from Madame Hegarty for allowing us and even sort of encouraging us to swear, but only en française.
This one's for Mr. Pugh for spending more time on his phone than with his students.
This one's for Mrs. Turnbull for being late more often than she's on time.
This one's for Miss Bradbury for making us come to school at 5 a.m. to watch a live stream for 3.5 hours.
This one's for Miss Elias for making us do a signal if we had to sneeze when we first arrived. I don't know if she's...
So this is more of an award. It goes to Worm Lad for having a big heart and nose to match.
So I've consulted the class, and this award goes to Miss Ackling for always having an excuse for why he hasn't marked our assessments.
I'm not sure if she's here, but this one goes out to Mrs. Harvey for not being able to get through a full sentence without saying shh.
Come on up, Miss Jamino. This one's for you for unintentionally yelling in every lesson.
This is a joint detention for Mrs. Kenny. It's for having a secret crush on me for the last 2 years.
This one's for Mr. Priya for lying to us about a name for 6 years.
I'm not sure if she's here, but this one's for Miss Collins, my favourite teacher, for being the only teacher who makes people get late exams before the first bell visit.
Alright. Mr. Drain. For maliciously breaking students' equipment and making pointless Marvel references which no one understands.
Thank you. This one's for Mr. Arena for never failing to remind us to never put all our eggs in one basket.
This one's for Miss Thomas for ensuring that we're working our hardest on anything other than maths.
This one's to Mr. Gio for always bringing the staff room gossip to the classroom.
This one's for Dr. Marks for her terrible whiteboard writing, which no one in the class can ever follow or understand.
This one's for Mrs. Warren for teaching us more about our kids than the subject. This one's for Miss for getting our assignments back after we graduate.
Okay, so that's all the detentions. Okay, put your hand up if you've ever played Pokémon. Come on. Come on, you have. You're a liar. Alright, so a good Year 12 student put more effort into this than I did my major work. Thank Jack Fontes for this. Play video.
participated in heaps of estate-birds and a couple of Detentions, and it's just this one thing that's out of the actual program. But it's the Oxford Falls Hip Hop Band, and they had a really successful year. They came runners-up at the Battleground Sydney Dance Competition, and they also won an event last weekend, and it was the World Supremacy Battleground. So please welcome to the stage the Oxford Falls Hip Hop Band.
And I'll go to the extreme, or rock a mic like a vandal, light up the stage or wax a chump like a candle. Protect me when I play a dope melody, cause anything less than the best is a felony. Love it, I'll leave it, you better gain weight, you better hit bullseye, the kid don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. And check out the hook while the DJ revolves it. So now that the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the Vegas are pumping, quick to the point, no faking, cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. But I know
you're not quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal and a hi-hat with a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll, it's time to go solo.
Rolling, with my rag top down so my hair can blow. The gully's on standby, waiting just to say hi. Did you stop? No, I just rolled by, kicked on, pursuing to the next stop. I bust a left and I'm headed to the next block. The block was dead, yo, so I continue to A1A, Beachfront Avenue.
More or less than bikinis, rock band lovers, driving Lamborghinis.
Jealous,
cause I'm out getting mine. Sage with the gauge and Manila with the 9.
Ready
for the jumps on the wall, the jumps that can deal, cause they're full of 8 balls.
Gunshots,
ranged out like a bell. I grabbed my 9, all I heard was shells.
Falling on the concrete real fast, jumped in my car, slammed on the gas, bumper to bumper, the avenue's packed. I'm trying to get away before the jacket's jacked. Police on the scene, you know what I mean? They passed me up, confronted all the dope fiends. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while the DJ revolves it. So you better take heed, cause I'm a lyrical poet.
Miami's on the scene, just in case you didn't know it.
My town, they create all the bass sound.
And after shaking, kick holes in the ground.
My style's like a chemical spill.
Visible rhymes you can vision and feel.
Conducted and formed,
this is a hell of a concept.
We make it hype, and you wanna step with this. Shape plays on the fade.
Slice like a ninja, cut like a razor blade.
So fast, and the DJ say, damn.
If rhyme was a drug, I'd sell it by the gram.
Keep my composure when it's time to get loose.
Magnetized by the mic when I kick my juice.
If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while the DJ revolves it. Yo, Mel, let's get out of here.
What? See your father?
I don't know.
Yeah, another hand for that. Alright, I'm sure you've all seen that chubby guy do this before, but our school's done it now. Coming up, we've got Oxford Falls Carpool Karaoke.
Oh, hey, miss. It's Jesse. Hey, I was wondering, I know you're busy, but is there any chance, any possibility that you could come and help me get around in my car today? That would be absolutely incredible. You are a legend. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll see you soon. All right, bye.
I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up.
Hello! This is dope. Welcome. We're going for a good drive. We are going for a nice stroll ride. Getting it! Alright, would you guys like to listen to some music?
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good. Absolutely, of course we will. Here we go. Yeah! You guys used to listen to this song?
Yeah, it's a great song. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! It's gonna feel good. Hey! Yeah, right now. This baby lovely.
Can you guys dab? Do you know how to dab?
What's that?
Can you do a dab? Boom. This one, in that one. Put your hand into your elbow. That's the one. Yeah. Boom. Alright, our next song is a bit of a rave song. It's gonna get party in here. Okay. This one you get your hands on like this. Get down low, get down low. Is this too bad for you, mister? Here we go! Oh man, this is working up a sweat, seriously.
Hello.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Mr. Lobsey, would you like to hit it off with some Fergalicious? Yeah, let's hit it off with some Fergalicious.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do that.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, look at my... I don't say now, I'm trying to round up, drum a little mama, I don't want to take your man. I know I'm coming off just a little bit conceited, and I keep on repeating how the boys want to eat it, but I'm trying to tell that I can't be treated like clientele, cause they say she's delicious.
I thank God every day. I woke up feeling this way, and I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else.
Okay, you guys ready?
Oh, yeah.
You guys ready?
Every time.
Not buzz! Yeah, we friends! We're not.
We're not free school.
We're not at school. We're not at school. We're
somewhere else.
Can you show some respect?
Relax.
Oh my goodness, yes!
Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality.
Let's go.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, can you do the fandango? Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening. Galileo, 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 Galileo. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? We will not let you go. We'll not let you go. We'll not let you go. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters
stroking my hair, don't touch the driver. It's alright.
Year 12 leaving sad.
Stop sucking up, please. Wow.
Turn up.
So what is this?
It's a song about Justice Beaver.
The
crime fighting beaver.
Oh,
that
okay.
Miss Creeley was telling me about.
Oh, okay.
So when I say justice, you say beaver. Justice.
Beaver.
Justice.
Beaver.
When I say justice, you say beaver. Justice.
Beaver.
Beaver. Journey with me as we look into the ether. Hear a little story about Justice Beaver. The only beaver I know is out solving crime, catching criminals like time after time. When I say justice, you say beaver. Justice. Beaver. Justice. Beaver. Yeah.
Favourite? Get into it, people. All the single ladies, now put your hands up. Mr. Drain, I think you need to lead the single ladies dance move, right? Right hand up. Yeah? It's Kenny, it's more of a rotate, not a...
I'm doing a royal way.
I've also, guys, I've got a bit of a bone to pick. What was with that 9 out of 20 I got for my
For which one?
What do you mean which one?
Which one?
It's all coming.
That was one of your better marks.
You really have to look at the band, not at the mark.
That's a band 2, I think.
Was that the one where you chose to be creative and write a poem?
Alright, I didn't think this would be roasting me in here, but...
Miss Wong!
Cool.
Can we pick Miss Wong now?
Alright, we'll pick Miss Wong up.
When I wake up,
you gotta do it with a Scottish accent as well.
I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you.
And if I get drunk, do you ever get drunk, miss?
No. What about you, Sam?
That's...
Not while you're driving.
Not while I'm driving.
I'm gonna be the man who's tingling with you. But I will walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more.
Right, we're gonna change songs.
We like that one.
Every time that you get undressed, I hear symphonies in my head. I wrote this song just looking at you. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, the drums they swing low.
Watch the road.
And the trumpets they go. Whoa! And the trumpets they go. Yeah, the trumpets they go. They go. That is it. Thank you. Thanks guys so much for accompanying me.
Pleasure.
Alright, that was amazing. Alright, up next. Up next, we have a little game show that everyone knows and loves. Are you smarter than Michael Johnston?
Now, right here tonight, we have 3 very special guests which will be joining us on the game show tonight.
Oh, yes, they will.
We have Mrs. Norsa.
Coming up, doll.
We have Mr. Tenny.
Yes, he's back from the dead, people. Oh my gosh.
It's Mr. Tenny, everyone.
Who's our final contestant?
We have Mr. Potts.
Mr. Potts, oh my gosh. We'll just wait for them to come up, and then we'll begin the questions. It's really simple. Basically, we'll ask the question, and they have to answer. And then we see if Mitchell knows the right answer. And then we'll reveal the answer on the board. Now, let me warn you, Mitchell here is very smart. You know, he's probably going to get Dutch. Oh, the showmanship's already started.
Camaraderie, I love it.
Cookie, take us away.
Our first question tonight is, what flag is...
All right, now ask the ladies and gentlemen over there what they think that flag is.
UK.
Same. Yes.
Okay, Mitchell, what is it?
It's actually the flag of Bermuda.
Well, let's see if he's right. Yes, he is! The man, the myth, the legend!
This man is a genius!
All right. Again, let's do it again.
Our second question tonight is, how much wood can a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
10 kilos.
Same. I don't care.
Well, I see they're very enthusiastic. Let's see if Mitchell knows it.
It's actually 17.
Well, let's see if he's right. Yes, he is! Oh boy, he's a genius.
So smart.
Let's do it again.
Our third question. What is Mr. Tenny's age?
Ooh. This one should be an easy one.
It's 3 digits. I can't.
She's savage.
75.
Ooh. There's big numbers over there. Let's see if Mitchell knows it.
Close, but it's 170.
175. Let's see if it's the right answer. Yes, it is. We carbon dated his DNA, and it turns out he's born back in the 1800s.
Carbon dated.
How does he know it? How does he do it? Let's hit him again.
How much was Mr. Teddy sold on Antique Roadshow?
Ooh. Now, if you've been watching, late Sunday nights, you'd know this one.
He's actually priceless.
Over $1 million. £2.
Well, we got a variation of answers there. Well, Mitchell, what do you think?
I was beaten there. He's priceless.
Oh, he does priceless again? I know! Oh, Mitchell, you shouldn't have.
He's got such a heart.
Hit him again, Cookie.
Of course, Jack. What is half of 8?
This one should be an easy one.
Actually, I've lost interest too. 4.
Not a mathematician.
Well, these are what you'd expect the answer to be. Let's see what Mitchell thinks.
Well, it's actually 3.
There's 3. Ooh, controversial. Let's roll the clip. And it's 3! How does he do it? How does he know what is in this man's mind? Speed round?
Now we're doing the speed round.
All right. It's whoever puts their hand up first and yells out, "Bzzz." Okay? Let's hit the question. What's the first question, Cookie?
How heavy was Harambe?
How heavy was he?
204 kilograms.
Let's see here. Oh! He does it again! Next question.
What element begins with the letter K?
Krypton. Krypton? Oh, he does it again! He does it again! He's mad!
How much toilet paper is produced every year?
84 million rolls.
How? I'm going to faint!
How many eggs in Mr. Arena's basket?
Ooh.
Never too many.
Ooh, let's see. What does Mitchell think?
It's actually 13.
Ooh. Ooh. He's a genius, what can I say?
What is Mr. Payne's favourite sport?
Fishing.
Basketball. Ooh. Ooh.
A likely one.
Fishing.
Fishing? Ooh. Hey, it is!
Fishing!
The board says it, so it must be true.
Who invented Pokémon?
Ooh. We got, Mitchell again.
Japanese, Satoshi Tajiri.
Very specific, and he's right! He's right once again!
There's the man himself.
There he is!
What were the last 3 names of the school bells?
He does it even before it's finished.
Clocks, Down Under, and Electric Avenue.
He does it! He does it again!
He does it!
Give it up for Michael Johnston! think we have our winner here with 100% correct and maybe, one right from Miss Saunders.
Miss Norse, you got
one.
Anyone's got it before. Miss Norse, everyone.
With one correct answer, but I'm afraid we all know who the real genius is. It's Mr. Johnston, everyone! Everyone! Well, thank you, and tune in next Sunday for our next game show. Thank you very much, everybody. It's been Cookie and Jack.
Alright, well, that was interesting. So, I need to speed this up. We have a Q&A video coming up with all your favourite teachers. Give it a... Yeah, woo!
People are sharks.
You're not valued or appreciated, you're exploited.
Really long hours and doesn't matter what you're doing.
It takes too long and pays low.
Almost pretty much slave labour.
Crazy, dirty, sick, ferocious, unwanted, mad, out of control. Not particularly cute and cuddly.
Nuts, crazy.
Chicks.
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 Empowers people. He listens.
They lead by example. Humility, servant-hearted.
Capable.
Great vision.
Compassionate and strong.
Fit, strong, tall, nice hair, nice eyes, six pack, 8 pack.
The perfect physique, very muscular.
Arid, dry, sort of lifeless in a lot of ways. Dry, barren.
Dry, open, hidden life.
Quite overwhelming for most people, I'd imagine.
Oh dear.
Revolting and repulsive, disgraceful, offensive.
Naive, shameless.
Ugly, backwards, horrific, the worst thing ever.
Alright, time for our next item. So there's a bit of love in the air here at Oxford Falls. And we've got a very special man who's been looking for love. And there's 3 ladies awaiting a rose. Let's get it.
Hi, my name's Ackling. I'm 28 and I'm looking for love. I'm looking for a woman who's honest and genuine and can cut wood.
Hi, my name's Miss Ferrugia and I have been unlucky in love. I've been single now for 3 weeks and it's been a really, really long and hard journey. I think with Mr. Ackling though, I found the love of my life.
I really don't think that Miss Ferrugia, she thinks I have connection and chemistry. Like, I know chemistry when I see it. I mean, I'm not a science teacher, but I know chemistry. And I just really, she puts a hand on his, like that means something. Everyone knows you don't do that on one of their first dates. Like, you don't reach, you wait for them. So, I've been waiting for him to make the move and I really feel like there's something there, but I think it's subtle. Yeah, I think the others maybe don't pick up on it.
Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm 21 years old and I'm ready to find love. So I don't really have a type. I'm pretty open to all kinds of men, but I would look for somebody who's mature, somebody who's hands-on, and somebody who's financially secure. I'm clearly not threatened by the other girls in the house. If anything, they should probably be threatened by me.
Where is our Bachelor? And our beautiful contestants. Here he is. Come sit. Hello, ladies. What an incredible journey it has been this season on The Bachelor. There has been so many wonderful memories and wonderful moments. Ackling came here to find love, and now 3 will become 1. 2 of you will be leaving the mansion tonight. Ackling, it's time.
Hello, ladies. I've been listening to my heart. In my heart, it says mother.
I'm sorry for Rooster and Liv, but you did not receive a rose tonight. Time to pack your bags and go home. Enjoy your dance. That was beautiful.
Very, very special.
That was a good pull by Mr. Ackling.
Yeah, he's done well for himself.
A lot of jealous students in the school. Or maybe just 2.
What? What? Oh, sorry. So what's up now? What?
So a few of the musical students, very musically talented, have devised a song. You know what it's called?
No.
The Uptown Falls remix. Woo! Give it a listen.
This one's from Oxford Falls for all you squished in home. This one's for Mrs. Doe. Sexting is not a joke. Crying, sighing, wishing we still had Smitty. Forgot to put my blazer on. Respond Joe with no pity.
I'm too hot, hot damn. For these long pants and a blazer, man. It's too hot damn. For these stockings and that fake tan. It's too hot damn. ID card, know who I am. It's too hot damn. Mr. Drain, you ain't that funny. Break it down.
Got my coffee, hallelujah. Got a sub, hallelujah. We're almost done, hallelujah. Cause Oxford Falls gon' give it to you. Cause Oxford Falls gon' give it to you. Cause Oxford Falls gon' give it to you. Sunday night and you hate your life. Don't prepare, just cram. Forget about the exam. Don't prepare, just cram. Forget about the exam. Plus the summer is sham. The HSC is a scam.
Stop! Break a minute. Fill my cup, put some cup in it. Take a sip on the deck. Don't forget, next tip. Walk to G block, H10. Where the heck B7? When you muck up, you get kicked out. The make you go and help Kevin.
Too hot damn. Canting up in the press again. It's too hot damn. West Tenny, that madman. It's too hot damn. Walking down those stairs again. It's too hot damn. Turn your ass around, break it down.
Got my coffee, hallelujah. Got a sub, hallelujah. We're almost done, hallelujah. Cause Oxford Falls gon' give it to you. Cause Oxford Falls gon' give it to you. Cause Oxford Falls gon' give it to you. Sunday night and you hate your life. Don't prepare, just cram. Forget about the exam. me show you all a little something. Year 12s, all grown up. Year 12s, all grown up. HSC, come at us. No study and no fuss. No homework's a big plus, but we all know you'll still miss us. HSC, come at us. No study and no fuss. Saturday night, you hate your life. Don't prepare, just cram. Forget about the exam. Don't prepare, just cram. Forget about the exam. Posters are a sham. The HSC is a scam. The HSC is a scam. The HSC is a scam. Hey, 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 oh.
Year 12's all grown up. 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 Year 12's all grown up.
Beautiful. This is exactly how I want to talk. All right. What? Oh, okay.
Thank you all for coming.
Yeah, thanks everybody for coming to our Year 12 assembly. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Could Year 12 please stand and leave?